what is the most important steps you should know in each dance. So let's take rumba for a second. So a number one step in rumba you should practice as much as you can is a time step. So it looks like this. So you're going together, together, side, together, together, side, together, together, side. What? Pay attention to this step. It's how your right leg is connected to your left leg through a resistance, and how this hip actually bringing this leg in. So the hip controlling the leg, tick and tick, 4, and here this hip bring this leg in. So time step. Another step which is very similar to time step, where you can practice exactly the same principle, is a cucaracha. So it's basically, it looks like this. You're going side, side, together, weight change, side, side, together. Why you would like to practice the step? Because it has a great opportunity in this step to practice this hip to the leg connection. So this is 2 steps, time step, 2 and 3, 4, 1, and pay attention to this moment, 2 and 3, 4, 1, and cucaracha, which is 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1. Okay, so what is the most important steps for you in cha-cha-cha? It's going to be exactly the same as in rumba. We call it time step, cha-cha time step. So syncopated time step. So it looks like this: 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. And what you need to focus here, it's on that pushing from the leg when you're stepping to the side. So in rumba you were more focusing on how you collecting the leg through that hip and resistance. Here you're gonna focusing more on how you pushing to the side through that hip circle and landing there. 2 and push through the hip circle, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And because you practice rumba, you already will have that hip to the leg connection already rehearsed. So here, as you practice rumba, those 2 movements, time step and cucaracha, you can go to syncopated time step in cha-cha and practice that hip circle, because every side step or even on the forward action there is that hip circle, and this is the great step for you guys to practice it. Just do it over and over till you achieve desirable result. And now the next dance is a samba. What movement you want to do there? So I like for you to practice this side to side weight change. So you're changing weight from side to side, and it's here you're gonna practice very similar as in cha-cha. Remember you did time step, you were pushing from that hip, and here you're gonna more using the hip to switch to the other direction from one leg to another. And this is for samba. Boom, boom. And here also when you switch in samba, you will have a little bit ripple effect to make it more samba character. So this is my top priority steps which you can practice in 3 dances. Enjoy. And also, if you would like to learn more, please join my learning platform, dancewitholeg.com. I have a lot of video courses there where we take dance and start from 0 and all the way till the very advanced technical skills level. Try it and see you next time.